In the previous session, we were discussing about looping statements, loops. So, if you want to iterate my code again and again, we use looping statement, and we saw few programs as well. Okay. So today, let us see some more programs on looping. Okay. So for loop, right? So what we do for block, what initialization, then condition, then iteration. Okay, we write the code inside this. Now, if you are writing for inside a for, is called as nested for. For inside a for is called as nested for. Say for example, see it, a for loop int I is equals to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. So how many times this loop is going to iterate? 5 times. Yes or no? So inside this, if I write one more for loop, j, j, j less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. So now, how many times this loop is going to iterate? 3 times. 1 to 3. Okay. So, when I is 1, I value is 1, it will come inside 1, 2, 3. Again, I value becomes 2, come inside again freshly 1, 2, 3. When I value is 3, go inside again j 1, 2, 3. So totally how many times this is going to iterate? 15 times. Yeah, each time when I value is incremented, this loop freshly it will begin. Understanding this? This is how nested for loop work. So if you try to print, okay, let me make this as 3 and this as 5. Now how it will iterate? When I value is 1, 5 times this will iterate. When I value is 2, 5 times this will iterate. When I value is 3, 5 times this will iterate. Totally 15 times. Okay. If you try to print system.out.print I, don't write plus j, plus string plus j. Now, what is I value initially? First iteration 1 will go inside. Now j value will iterate now. J value will iterate in such a way that 1 to 5. When I is 1, j is I value and j value. When I is 1, j value is 2. When I is 1, j value is 3. When I value 4, 5. Done. Next iteration, I value becomes 2. Again go inside. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. This will be the I value is 3 only, no last. So in the meantime, j value gets iterated. Understanding this? Make a note. Done. Okay. So now let us see that how it works. Let me share the screen. Listen. What is okay? For right. So I'm going to compile this. Wait a sec. Okay. Open command prompt. CMD javac file name run dot java java. See 111212132425 Okay. So next, so now write a program. Next, write a program to print the given number is prime or not. This is 100% interview question. Okay, is prime or not? What do you mean by prime number? the number which is divisible by one and itself. Correct? That is called as prime. Say for example, if you consider the given number n is equals to 7. Is 7 is prime or not? Yes, it is prime. How do you validate it? Program means you should validate and tell whether 7 is prime or not. So how do you validate it? You know that the given number 7 is divisible by 1 and itself. Then you should divide this number with 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If this 7 is not getting divided with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then only I can say that the given number is prime or not. Simply you cannot write. Yes or no? Suppose if the given number is 99, how do you validate it is prime or not? You need to divide this number with 2 to 98. If it is not getting divided with any of the number 2 to 98, then you can say the given 99 is prime. Understanding this? So now, so for loop you should write in such a way that for int I is equals to 2. 2, you should start with 2. I less than or equal to n. Don't write n. I know it is divisible by itself. N minus 1. Correct? No, one step back, that is 6. 2 to n minus 1, yes or no? Okay. Now let us write a program. Okay. Now what I will do, see techniques. Is it? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು hide ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Guys, from today onwards, I will use instead of Notepad, I will use Edit Plus or Notepad Plus Plus. So it would be like here, right click, edit with Notepad Plus Plus. It looks with a color combination. Can we use this? The mouse ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. So listen. So I will take a variable, boolean variable. Boolean stores true or false. Now it will store flag is equals to true. Now what flag consists of? True. Okay. So always remember flag is just a status. Like it is like when train is coming, green signal means what? Go. Red signal means stop. Train is not coming, something like that. Okay. Same way that I kept one status called as flag as true initially. Okay. What it has? True. Okay. Now for loop. For loop you should start with int I is equals to 2, I less than or equal to, okay, I need one number, no, int n is equals to 7 only I gave as of now. 2 to n minus 1. 2 to n minus 1. So now wait a second. N plus plus, sorry, I plus plus. So this for loop will iterate 2 to 7. What is n value? 7 minus 1? 6. Now, I'll write one if condition. How do you check the given number is divisible or not? So take the number, modulus of that number. If remainder is 0, that is divided. Yes or no? Say for example, some number, let us take 7, modulus of 2. What is the remainder? 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. So 1. Suppose 8 modulus of 2. What is the remainder? 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. Correct? Huh? So now can I write here in this program n modulus of I value keeps on changing. So 7 you are dividing with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If that remainder does not become 0, okay, if that remainder, if it becomes 0, if it becomes 0, let us assume in 7 case it won't become 0, in 8 case it will become 0. Yes or no? Okay. So 8 modulus of 2, 0 na. 0 double equals to 0, true na. If it is true means what? That is not a prime number. That number is dividing with 2. So if it is dividing with 2, change the flag status to false. I took flag status just to confirm whether that number is dividing or not. Whether that number is getting divided or not. When flag becomes false, what that mean? It is getting divided with some number. Condition is becoming true. It is getting divided with some number. Either it may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it is. I don't care. So tell me if the given number is 8, if it is getting divided with 2, okay, will you continue? 2 is enough, correct? So we have a statement called as break statement. We have a statement called as break. Break. Break will come out of the for loop. It will stop everything. Okay. I will put a break statement like this. Break will come out of the for loop. So now in this scenario, n value is 8. Okay. First iteration I value is 2. N modulus of 2 0. 0 double equals to 0 false. Break. It will come out of the loop. Now flag consists of what? False. Correct? It consists of false. Okay. Now outside the for loop, I will write my code if flag flag if flag is true. What do you mean by flag is true? It is not getting divided anta. With any of the number it is not getting divided. If flag is false, it is getting divided. Quite simple. If that means, can I say like this? If flag is true, the given number is prime. If flag is false, the given number is not prime. So if flag is true, print system dot out dot println. What I should print? The given number is prime. Else the given number is non-prime. Okay, that's all your prime number program. So let me run this. Java C file name run dot Java. The given number is non-prime. 8 is non-prime. So let me give some other number. 7. 7. Let us take 7. Now 7 modulus of 2. False. Remainder is 1. So, okay. 7 modulus of 3. 7 modulus of 4. 7 modulus of 5. 7 modulus of 6. Now, what flag consists of? True only. If condition is true, it is going to print the given number is prime. Correct? So let me compile this. Java, the given number is, make a note of this. For sure, they'll ask in interview. Sure, you should explain this. What is break statement? I will tell. Don't write anything. Done. This online guys, you are getting it.
Yeah,
Anushka.
sir. Okay.
Okay.
So without using Boolean data types, can we write a program?
We can write in many ways. Okay, it is not a, so the easiest way you should present. Don't make it your program complicated. Correct? So say for example, you can write using while loop also. Okay, you can use, it doesn't mean that that is correct or this is correct. One program can be solved with many ways. That is called as problem solving skills. So, but company asked for easiest program. Okay? Well, okay. In Google, you will get a lot of. In college and all, it would be 2 pages of program. This thing, prime number. In lab exams and all, they'll write like 2 pages or prime number. Hardly it takes from line number 6 to line number 25, 10 lines, including spaces in it. Okay, done, guys. Next, did I taught you odd and even numbers? Write a program to print. Write a program to print. The given number is odd or even. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. Okay. So what do you mean by odd number? I just told you in if condition what is odd number. Okay. Any number which is divisible by 2 is called as even number. Which is not divisible by 2 is called as odd number. So in interview they may ask one question. You must write a program to print all the odd numbers between 1 to 20, odd numbers or even numbers 1 to 20. So first what you need to do, you need to take a for loop. Okay, int I is equals to 1, I less than or equal to 20, I plus plus, right? This loop will iterate 1 to 20. In that time what you need to do, you need to divide the number and you need to check whether it is okay. So now what I will do, if condition, don't write this guys, I am writing wrong program. Now I want to show you what happens. So take I modulus of 2. When it becomes 0, some people will write like this, system dot out dot println or print odd number is concatenate I value. In this condition, the number gets divided with 2. The number gets divided with 2. Okay. Like 1 won't get divided, 2 will get divided. It will print odd number is 2. Okay. Else what? What you need to print? Print the given number is even. Okay. Do you think this is correct program? Why? Sir, you only said it is not correct. Huh. Some people will write like this. This is absolutely nuisance. Wrong. Why? I'm
We are
asking.
not declaring the number exactly which we want as a order.
I wrote 1 to 20.
But in that
In for loop, I told 1 to 20. I value is 1. Modulus of 2. The given number is. Sorry. I wrote ulta. Here it is even. Okay. Here it is odd. Okay. Now, will it print right? This is right. Huh? How it will print? You just think. I value is 1. Modulus of 2. Okay. Odd number is 1. Condition is false. Now 1 won't get divided with 2. So that is the remainder is not equal to 0. It will come to else statement and it will print odd is 1. Next I value becomes 2. Okay. Now condition is true. Odd is even number is 2. Okay. Next odd number is 3. Even number is 4. I don't want like that. Odd number is 2, 4 like this. Sorry, odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It should print like that. It should not print even number is 1. Odd number is like that. It should not print each time. So see the output if you want. If some user sees it, he won't understand what is odd number, what is even number. Correct? See, odd number is 1. Even number is 2. Odd number is 3. Even number is 4. Okay, ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So it is printing like alternative. Correct? See how it is printing. Odd number is 1. Even number is 2. Odd number is 3. Even number is 4. I don't want like that. I want odd number is 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma all the numbers. Okay. So for that, what you do? Okay. Take one dummy variable. Take one dummy variable. One variable, string variable or whatever. Okay. So store. Assume this is a even variable. Store all the even numbers inside this variable. That means even number 2, 4, 6, 8, everything in the loop. Take one odd variable, store 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, store it. After all the iteration is done, odd number is print this variable. Even number is print that variable. Understanding this? So you need a container to store segregate. Okay, so now let us see. I'll take one variable called as string odd is equals to empty. Empty, nothing is there. String even is equals to empty. Okay, odd is equals to empty and even is equals to empty. Now here I will write, if any number gets divided with 2, it is called as even number, no? So I'll take even variable, even is equals to even concatenate I, concatenate comma. Okay, so now semicolon. Now odd is equals to odd concatenate I concatenate comma. Okay, so now first iteration, what is I value? 1. 1 modulus of 2, condition is false, it will go to else statement. Now what odd consists of initially? Empty, nothing concatenated with 1 semicolon. What it will store? So you have one variable called as what? Even, no? Sorry, odd. Now I am going to odd. Odd is empty first. So you are concatenating empty concatenated with I is what? 1 concatenated with semicolon. It will store 1 semicolon. 1 semicolon. Correct? What odd consists of? Now what odd consists of? 1 semicolon. Correct? 1 semicolon. Next iteration I value becomes 2. Okay. 2 modulus of 2. True. So it will take even variable, one more variable called as even. What it will store? 2 semicolon. Right? I value is 2 semicolon. Next iteration I value is 3. Odd. But what odd consists of now? 1 semicolon. Correct? 1 semicolon concatenated with what? 3. 1 semicolon, 3 semicolon. You understanding this? 1 semicolon, 3 semicolon. So it will remove this and it will put 1 semicolon, 3 semicolon. Next iteration 5, no? So that time it will concatenate with 5 semicolon. This will go 1 semicolon, 3 semicolon, 5 like this. It will try to concatenate all the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, so it will be stored. So even in the even variable also, even variables are stored. Same, 2 semicolon, 4 semicolon, like. Okay, no, not semicolon, it is comma.
Sorry.
ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ನಾನು ಸೆಮಿಕೋಲನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Okay, system dot out dot println even number is concatenate after for loop. After all the for loop, now even variable we have, odd variable we have. Print even variable. System dot out dot println odd number is concatenate odd variable. Okay, so now see the output. This is fine now. Even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Right? Make a note. Over. Next, break and continue. break and continue. So what do you mean by break statements here? So for loop, okay. How many times for loop will execute? 20. If I double equal to 8, I'll write break. Okay. Outside the loop, outside the if I'll simply print system dot out dot println I value. So now I is 1. Will it condition is true or false? How? 1 is 8, huh? False. Okay, quite straightforward. Okay, it will come outside the if. It won't go inside the if. It will. Okay, so it will come and print 1. Yes or no? I value is 2. 1 is equal 2 is equal to 8. No. Print 2. 3. Print 3. 4. Print 4. 5. 6. 7. Now 8. 8 is equal to 8. Go inside. It will see break statement. It will stop the for loop. Come out of it. So it will print 1 to 7. Okay. Just make a note of it. Done. Write the output. 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7. 1 to 7. 1 to 7. Okay. So we have something called as continue statement. Same program. Instead of break, I will use continue. What do you mean by continue? Huh? It will skip the iteration. That iteration it will skip. Say for example, same program I wrote, it won't come out. Instead it will skip 8. Can you see 8? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. So that iteration is skipped. Okay, so break is used to terminate the loop. Skip is used, sorry, continue is used to skip the loop. Make a note. Terminate the loop, skip the loop.
రెండు కలిపితే చాలా ఇష్టం 7.2 మా వాడికి ఎగ్జామ్స్ వచ్చిన
Done. We'll stop here and we'll continue tomorrow with pattern programs, like how to create diamond. Okay, this thing, this kind of square star patterns, how to create using loops. Okay, that we will see tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you.